I was thrilled to have the chance to experience Najah, and I would recommend it to our friends because this is truly an amazing experience for us to have a chance to listen to over 150 universities from over 20 different countries. It has been an amazing chance for us. It was really helpful to understand the specific things that are required for me to enter the university, if I wanted to study abroad, if I wanted to study here in the UAE.
For my experience here in Najah has been quite great since there are so many universities here, which gave me the chance to open my horizon with my choices in college. And since I am still unsure and I am still in the 11th grade, this fair can help me decide on which course I can take and which school I can apply for.
When I first came to Najah Expo, I was unsure about my university options that I can pursue after school. However, after visiting the multitude of stores that have to offer, I finally have a full understanding of what I want to pursue in the future, purely because it's so educational in it.
As a post-grad, it's really hard to look for master's programs or post-grad programs around the region. It's definitely worth it. Weigh out the pros and cons of different options that are out there, but also to get personalized talks with people that are from the university, see whether there's something that sparks your interest aside from what you have in your mind.
It's really an event that can help you form an idea or an opinion about where you would like to go for the future. I would definitely recommend this event to all students, especially if in your grade 11, grade 12. Universities have made great exhibitions of presenting themselves, the opportunities they have, the requirements they have.
Before I came here, I was pretty much clueless of where I want to go, and now I have a really good idea. I honestly loved my experience here. It gave me really good information of different universities around the world, not just here. It's important to come here because it gives you a lot of information about different universities like the US or the UK or even Canada and here.
There's a lot of people to talk to, if you have questions for different universities. And it's really great because it's not just in UAE, from other countries as well. Get a feel of what the atmosphere is like at their university.
If you're a student in the UAE and you don't know about Najah, or you know about it and you didn't come here, you're missing out. Najah is the #1 university expo. My experience was genuinely phenomenal. I advise everyone to come here. It really helped me and it actually gave me a pathway to my future.
It was a really great experience. We're surrounded by many universities. There are many prestigious universities. It was overall a very great experience and we have enjoyed so much. We have talked to many professors in here. For overall, it was a really great and unique experience. It is actually very important to come here for every student. I would 100% recommend Najah Expo.
It's actually my first time here to explore and find potential courses or universities that could help me find what I want in the future. And honestly, it has helped me a lot because I've had a lot of connections and I've looked into a lot of universities and I've found potential universities that I could study in the future.
Really helpful for anyone that's searching universities here and even abroad, and there are so many other options you can find here. My experience over here was really nice because I got to explore a lot of new universities and options. I could find more colleges that I was looking into in the field I wanted, and it was really exclusive.